I'm Dion with WTI, and let me tell you why I reach for this set of knitting needles the most. First of all, I absolutely love that this set of needles comes in such a compact package. You get 5 different size needles, and that is size 4 through size 8, and then you get 2 different lengths. You also get a needle gauge, stitch markers, and 3 super flexible cords. These needles are short, so you can use them for small circumference knitting, but I also like that you can use them in other projects when you just need another set of this size needle. I reach for these knitting needles all the time, and that's my point of view.